Hello and welcome to our annual Dubai event.
This is a moment we all have been waiting for. The event of evolution to revolution, our 4th year anniversary. So be ready, we are about to start.
Este evento cambiará la historia de la comunidad de SuccessFactors.
Estoy súper emocionado de estar aquí, un nuevo año, una nueva visión y sobre todo un futuro realmente increíble.
The event of the year.
3 minutes, we are starting. This event will create history. Are you ready? Because I am ready. I am excited, I am emotional, I am nervous. You know why? Because of you. Because I'm ready.
What is happening here, it's crazy, ladies and gentlemen. We are gonna shape your future, your country's future, and we are gonna change the whole world. You will see it.
Who are we at Success Factory? We are leaders, we are innovators and thinkers, we are contributors. We believe in integrity and the freedom to make decisions. We believe in making dreams a reality. We believe in ourselves.
This is the creation of magic. This is the creation and the revealing of a mystery where you are waiting for. This is Success Factory. This is Success Factory where dreams are coming true and new dreams are going to come to you.
Я вам всем желаю получить те знания, которые вам необходимы.
Это событие для вас станет настоящим стартом в новую эру.
For us, you have proven your position ahead and running the company.
Congratulations, Roald, on your new duty as CEO of Success Factory.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Chief Sales Officer of the whole company. Would you be joining us?
Oh my goodness, of course, it's an honor. Anytime.
Congratulations.
Anytime.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Isn't a better person to head and to run all of that expansion than Mr. Jason Tyne? We would be very honored to see you as the CEO of Success Factory United States. Welcome to the team.
100%.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
Are you ready for the event?
I'm ready.
More than ready. Let's get it done.
We have amazing speakers from around the world coming here today to share the best with you. Kayan Tamala!
How we can prepare for the future that's going to come. Because the company is moving fast, the journey of success is hard. It's not easy. You need to be relentless. You need to have a tough mindset.
Hoy estoy aquí agradecido a cada una de las personas que ha creado la compañía de Success Factory y que día a día continúa haciendo posible que podamos disfrutar de este sueño.
Hard work and dedication brings you straight to your dream. You just have to put the work in.
كون ليدر نفسك. قرر إما أنجح أو أنجح. لا تترك للسلبية باب.
We are making history. We are creating history. And after the launching of The View, launching news and promotion that will come this weekend, that I'm looking forward, I can tell you that we are changing the world for better.
Success Factory, where all the industries are all converging together and the possibilities as results can give you unlimited results.
Tu enfoque tiene que ser tan claro para que tu mente esté constantemente visualizando cuál es el resultado final.
مشروعنا اليوم لا تنجح لوحدك، تنجح ومعك الأجيال.
La decisión de cambiar o transformar su vida está en sus manos.
Winning is not a marathon, it's a sprint with no finish line. It's not something that you do once, it's a process that you do your whole life.
И если ты не сдаешься, если ты не останавливаешься, если ты берешь своего наставника и вместе с ним работаешь, у вас все получится.
You didn't want to believe that we could make the impossible possible? We are building the world. We are building the world of tomorrow. This is your world.
Chris Red!
Success Factory continues with 3 product lines: the View, Forex Insiders, and StackPay Merchants, to start looking towards Stackcoin as an alternative to traditional currencies.
They're a very special selected group, and we call them the Circle of Champions. They were picked up and brought to the office for an office tour. And it was also a very nice opportunity for everybody in the office to congratulate them. First, very powerful live Circle of Champions meeting. This is a very special group of people that will support us in 2022 to make the best corporate decisions, to help them to lead their teams in the right way, and that's what we want. We want the best of the best for the whole year to represent the company on the highest level.
I will be your guide to the wonders of this world.
Today we are taking another step towards the launch of the View. Hi, I am Chris, in the digital world. Seeing with our own eyes and experiencing as much as technologically possible.
This is time to go even milestones we've never been to, and we are going to launch the United States.
Introducing the USA market and the Forex Insider, Jason
Time! We're trying to teach as many people as possible how to take a small little bit of their money and to have it go win for them and make more money for them every single day. And I have zero doubt that we're going to dominate in the United States.
What an unbelievable, powerful weekend it has been. If you've been here and you're paying attention, just lived through evolution to revolution. That is what you just experienced. If you ain't got it, go get it. And when you get it, go give it. Got it? That's the deal.
Forex Insider is going to be a great product, and the main thing about Forex Insiders compared to another product that it will help you to get passive income.
Start your revolution and let it burn bright.
شركة Success Factory هي اختيارك الأمثل. De nuevo encendimos la llama.
Here's the secret. I'm going to give you a secret. You got to have 100% passion for who you are and what you do.
Evolution is starting. Where are you?
Our flame will be stronger than ever.
Always create success for all. Be the change.